If you do this in a plastic pot, you will have hundreds of mandarins. One of the most delicious fruits that exist and that most people usually eat are mandarins. Its characteristic flavor and its delicious aroma make it incomparable, and it also contains enormous health benefits, from its peel to the inside of the fruit. Tangerines can be grown at home thanks to the use of pots if you do not happen to have a garden. Can you imagine having a pot full of tangerines for you to eat whenever you want? Doing this is quite simple, and you can save a lot of money. In this article we want to show you the steps to follow so that you can plant them yourself. Within the properties of tangerine we can mention, its sweet and refreshing flavor, contains a lot of vitamin C and B, has citric acid and carotene. In addition, it contains anti-inflammatory properties that help fight various diseases. It also strengthens the immune system considerably and is one of the most beneficial fruits for the lungs. It is ideal to replenish energy after having done some sport and is refreshing. Choose the pot that seems most appropriate for a mandarin. Try to have holes in the bottom for drainage. Use organic soil and small stones in the bottom for drainage. You can use sand on the ground for more air intake. Plant the seeds or transplant the tree. Cover the seeds well and do not press so hard. Place the pot in a place where it will touch the sunlight. Water the plant when you feel the soil is dry an inch deep. Cut the broken or dead branches when the shoots come out on the sides of the plant. Always have fertilizer rich in magnesium, iron and zinc. Tangerines should be carefully picked to avoid being struck. You can do many things with the mandarin, as remedies, refresh yourself with the fruit, make art with the shell, take advantage of its properties, everything that your imagination allows you.